Alright guys, so today's video, 2 seconds, ISO. Yeah, that's better. I can actually see myself. Anyway. Bit of dirt on your leggings, 2 seconds. Yeah, so today's video was meant to be on something else. Oh, it's just started up. It was meant to be on something else today, but said thing didn't happen yesterday for me to be able to make video happen. So I decided, while my computer decided to update, which just this second it was sitting at 24%, just this second has decided to turn on. With that doing an update, oh, it's still installing. With that doing an update, I decided what better a time than now to make a video. This video is just going to be a quick heads up, but if you have been following the Netflix original productions closely, you'll have been seeing that The Outlaw King has had its trailer released. I found this out two nights ago, and watched it eagerly. The big thing is, I was an extra on it, and I didn't know if any of the stuff would make it into the film, let alone the trailer. Still don't know if there's much in the film other than the bit that I saw in the trailer. However, I am in the trailer. As you see the English King walking towards the camera, I am second in on the left hand side. But yeah, I was absolutely stoked at that. Downside is, I'm a Scottish guy and I was playing an English soldier. However, rest of the extras, when they were in battle scenes, they were Scottish soldiers for a bit, and then they were English soldiers for a bit. It just depended on what were needed at the time, and with digital enhancements, etc., they can make the crowds look even bigger, but for principal photography they kind of had to use what they had in respects of extras and budget. But yeah, check out that video down below. I'll leave a link, and I'll leave a wee link somewhere at the end of this video for it. It was amazing. That video alone spurred on me to do more videos myself, and seeing that I was in it gave me the kick to get out of the rut that I was sitting in. That, along with joining the No Small Creator movement, hashtag, I joined last night. The conversations I've seen in that since being in it have given me a load of inspiration for other stuff. I do have a list of videos that I have in my phone, what I want to make. Is our English not very good? But again, computer keeps going off. I have terrible attention span. That is the first thing you need to know. And things like that happening in the background always puts me off. Meant to be looking down the lines, not in the wind. Anyway, digress. What was I saying? As I was saying, I joined the No Small Creator Facebook group, and hopefully some of the stuff that I've been inputting has been helpful. Again, I did put a wee comment in today to see if anybody wanted to collab. This is a shout out to anybody in the YouTube universe. I will be in the Washington-Baltimore area in September, so if you do wish to collab, then hit me up in my emails or social medias that are linked down below, and we can arrange something to shoot. As always guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Side note, before we go, ignore that outro. Before we go, I have changed my office round. We shall show you. So instead of my office being from here, desk, I have flipped it. I have flipped it to being up against the wall and round to the window. Yeah, so I've done that. I also have the company logo all sorted out. I have little slates that have the logo painted on it, and they're going to go onto, if I can move the tripod, these. I am going to cut them down, make them into a sign, mount it, put it up on the wall, and going to do a couple more things with these slats. But yeah, as I said, hope you liked the video. hope you like the Outlaw King video, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit the wee bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.